In this episode, we will discuss how Bitcoin will help future generations. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. I'm here with Santa and with you because I would like to point out the potential Bitcoin has for preserving a hopeful future for the children of the world. One of my favorite Bitcoiners, Greg Foss, likes to say that he educates people about Bitcoin for the kids. And I think this is a very positive mindset to have. Let's face it though, altruism, the common good, and hope for others are not the first characteristics that draw people into Bitcoin. It's most probably the potential for parabolic gains and life-changing wealth. After all, Bitcoin has seen a 170% rise in its value since the start of this year. And of course, it's very possible that its next bull run is just at the starting line. But today, let's discuss why Bitcoin is needed. Bitcoin is needed because money as we know it is broken. Here is a representation of how dramatic a fall has taken place in the purchasing power of the US dollar. And guess what? Everyone just accepts it. The ravages of inflation take place like the slow raising of the temperature of a pot of water in which we are the frogs, not noticing the existential boiling point that's about to overtake us. And when hyperinflation hits, like it has in so many countries around the world, it's too late to jump out of the pot. One of the first things I realized when I started down the path of Bitcoin discovery was that I had no clue how flawed the monetary system was. The history of money, the philosophy of money, the reality of fiat money is just not taught in school. Debt is what drives our monetary system, and debt is what will destroy it. It's a monster eating its own tail, and we can't leave it to fester and corrode our children's future. We've all seen the disheartening decline in living standards and the economic hardship our youth face. Thank goodness we have Bitcoin to reverse these horrible trends. But I've heard people describe Bitcoin as made-up money. The implication being it has no intrinsic value and is not secure. All the while, they are blissfully unaware how frighteningly insecure the fiat system they are bound to is. Hyperinflation has caused and will continue to cause people to lose their entire lifetimes of savings in the blink of an eye. Bitcoin's value, on the other hand, is secured by the world's strongest computer network. A network that grows stronger and stronger and stronger every 10 minutes with the addition of each new block in its immutable and unbroken chain. It is an incorruptible system because math and physics are incorruptible. It is by far the best and possibly perfect made-up money man has come up with yet. I continue to learn about Bitcoin, and I hope to pass what I learned on to others because I want a future where the children of today and the generations that follow will have a way of storing the value of their hard work in a system that doesn't steal from them, but instead increases their wealth. I'm sure that Santa wants this as well. Please join me down this path. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment if you please. And always remember, especially in this hopeful time of year, that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.